Now, friends, please tell me, why the hell did I collapse today? So, my little bald headed self, yes, I'm bald headed now since my brain surgery, decided that usually I only had conditioner in my shower. So, I was just conditioning my hair. But I'm like, girl, what are you doing? You know what I'm saying? Like, just conditioning your hair. What the fuck is that about? So, I decided I was going to open my new, I think it's like a coconut type of shampoo and conditioner, and shampoo my hair and condition it. Now, bitch, if you just want to ruin what I got going on, do you want to come in the bed? All right, well, come on. You want me to leave it on stitch on? Y'all. Sorry, guys. I can never stop being a mother. So he is in the bed with me. That's my gray, my Grayson. So let's see what we're talking about. Yeah, so I was like trying to like wash my hair with POTS and dysautonomia. Like my nerves are like kind of like shot. So my nervous system. So the response to things are like screwy. And trust me, I got in that shower and I was feeling it, okay? I think I forgot that I even had any type of problems, chronic illnesses. I just was like washing my hair. I shampooed it and I conditioned it and I was feeling good. And then after that, I'm a little weird. Y'all, when I take a shower, I use my Dove exfoliating bar soap. But not only do I do that, I like scrub my body with that, with a washcloth as well. Scrub my body down with that. But then after that, I can use my Dove body wash plus my I think it's called Esos. It's ESOS, and they have all these like good smelling freaking oh, listen, body washes. I think they also do like lip balms and stuff. I'm probably saying that name like extremely wrong, but like whatever. Anyway, I use two body washes at the same time, and then I go over my body after that, my whole body, except for you know what part. Because girls, you know what happens when you put stuff that doesn't belong down there. So me, I don't do that. No, 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 no. 'Cause I'm not about to be out here like, oh my goodness, my bum bum. So I was in there, and my like I don't know, my time was up, y'all. So I got out and I was like drying up a little bit. And I just got woozy as hell, y'all. So I was coming out the bathroom and I think my daughter was trying to like have a full conversation at the door. I don't really fucking know. But both her and my aide was like, whoa. And if they weren't there, I would have fell to the floor. Um, then my physical therapist, she was already coming up the steps. How embarrassing. Y'all, I hate being the sick person, but I am the sick person. So she came and she was like, get out the way to my daughter and whatever. And like, she helped me up. Surprisingly, I ain't gonna lie. Shorty was strong. She was tiny. I was like, girl, I am 5'9.5". Yes, 5'9.5". Don't add a half and don't take away a half. It's 5'9.5". And she lifted me up. She was a little skinny thing too. I said, okay, bitch. Little people be shocking me. I'm trying to tell you. Once they got me to my bed, she took my vitals because I was like, wait, before you try to pick me up, let my blood pressure like regulate, because that's usually what happens. What happens is I'm in a steamy shower, and the showers, that hot steam that you're in can lower your blood pressure. So it can happen to like anybody, like anyone. But for me, my blood pressure be like zoom, and then my heart rate be like zoom. So I end up on the floor because that's like what your body response is. But I'm like, I thought I was doing good. But my aide said I was in there for 10 minutes. Usually I'm like 5 minutes and I'm out because I know that if I stay longer, I'm going to pass out. And I won't lie, I did feel a little woozy in the freaking shower. Like, I did. But I was like, bitch, you got this. Bitch, you got this. But I didn't. I'm just cracking up at how I'm telling this story. And my son is like, okay, I'm tuned in. You're not, hey, you was just looking at me and you was tuned in. Don't be rolling your eyes. Tried it. Anyway, I'm so sorry that this video, you can't really see me because I'm in the darkness. I will say I got to the bed. My aide helped me get dressed. We also made sure I got my meds, and we cleaned up my G-tube there. And I won't lie, I fell asleep immediately. I don't even know when I fell asleep. I'm actually confused a little bit. I fell asleep. My body felt done. I will say that after them getting me to the bed. But I woke up and it was like, huh? Y'all, I didn't know how it happened. I woke up and it was like 1 something. I'm like, what the hell? Dead ass. I started looking around like, ain't nobody was gonna wake me. I even missed another appointment. And I feel terrible. My service coordinator was supposed to come and she was like, I was outside. I'm like, my bad. I like texted her back. She ain't texted back yet. I felt terrible. I was gone, y'all. So this is the problem. I think I'm overdoing it and I'm supposed to be healing. Like the other day I was freaking decluttering my house, right? Well, my room, and like the bathroom was getting done. I'm doing too much. And I want to be able to do that. I don't want my chronic illnesses to define me. And I won't lie, I broke down when they got me onto my bed, and I have a towel wrapped around me, and my smell goods all ready to be put on because I prep before a shower just so I don't have those inconveniences. But I guess you know what, life can just be an inconvenience no matter what. But yeah, that was a little story for my loves today. I'm gonna try really hard to relax, lay down, and recover. And I really thank everybody that is like praying for me because I need it. I need it. It is so hard. It is so hard. Every time I think about what has happened over and over again, I'll be ready to break. But I'm here and I'm still going. So believe in me, y'all. Believe in me. Believe in healing for me. Thank you. I love you.